Hey everybody, this is Caleb here at Airline Hydraulics in Spartanburg, South Carolina. It was a great day at our Connect and Learn. And I think today's May the 4th. So May the 4th be with you. We had an awesome day as we had plenty of vendors set up here. Guys including Omron, Eaton, and Phoenix Contact. Just a great day as plenty of customers also came through. We ate, we learned through our SCCR class, and it was just a full day. If you have any needs in the future, we would love to hear from you. You can stop by here at our Spartanburg location, or you can give us a call, or you can also follow the link that's gonna be on this video here. All right, start over. May the 4th be with you. That's out of order, sorry, can't do that. It says we had our, what was it called? Learn?
Connect and Learn.
Connect and Learn, okay. Any way that we can serve you and your family and your customers. Oh gosh, that's god awful. You'll cut that out. These outtakes are gonna be fantastic.